Hi, my name is Bethany, and I am playing on Call of Duty Black Ops. I am on level 30-something, and I'm playing Team Deathmatch Core, and so I'm going to play Array, and so here we go. I hope I don't die. Well, I'm not going to say curse words. I've only started this like a week ago. You might hear them in there singing, dancing. I'm going to make a video off of them. Because we have 2 Far Cry's, 360, and Wii and PS3. And so we're starting right now. Enjoy. Here we go. God, now here we go. Finally. Oh my god, my gun is so freaking heavy I can barely even move. Right now I'm on run mode, but it's not really helping. Oh wow. I have no idea what kind of team that dude was on, but his face was like totally in my face. Cool weirdo. Well, usually when I head over here, nobody even like suspects me. All I do is just get down low and just shoot. Oh. See, I never get caught over here, except for sometimes when they're really good at it. You guys might want to just see action, so let me get up. Okay, here we go. It's not even on his right freaking gun to the class. Where is everybody at? Oh wow. So freaking retarded. And it's gonna freak everyone. Finally, killed somebody. Wow, you finally killed somebody. Whatever. just freaking weird. No one's there. Oh, there we go. I know this is weird, but my favorite part is like first grass. But I like getting like 4, 5, 7 streaks. That's pretty cool. But I've died 2 times right now. And I do not like when people snipe. And I do not like snipers. Sorry, but I just don't like snipers. They're boring. And they don't come with a lot of bullets, so yeah. Sorry, you sniper loving people. I just don't like it. You must hear my mom. She's annoying. Idiot. Oh, wow, he was stalking somebody. I'm thinking he does something. There you go. Well, I thought they said bombs everywhere. It's funny.